How to bold text on Instagram post. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now, in order to have a bold text on Instagram, what you can do is simply first of all launch the Chrome browser on your device. Now tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and simply search for bold text over here. So let's search for bold text over here, and as we search for bold text, it will give us various options over here. Simply select on any of these options and now just enter a normal text. So I'm gonna say hey there, and it will show bold text in various fonts over here at the bottom of the screen. So you can simply select it from here and you can choose and write in whichever is more convenient for you. I'm gonna select on this one over here, and let's just tap on copy. Now you can just go back and launch your Instagram application on your device. And as you launch your Instagram application, simply tap on the search bar at the bottom of the screen. Simply tap on the post section and select any of the posts or just click a random picture. So let's click a random picture over here. So I'm going to click a random picture, and as we're done clicking a picture, so let's just tap in over here by adding or clicking on a picture and then tap on next. And as we tap on next, you can simply add a caption where you can just paste the bold text that you had copied, and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.